Hello everyone! Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng Google Classroom. Sa Google website, i-click ang Google Apps sa may upper right corner ng screen. Ito yan. Tapos scroll down at hanapin ang Classroom icon. Ito yan. I-click ito. So as you can see, meron akong mga nagawang Google Classrooms dito. Pero let's start from scratch. Click the plus sign at the upper right corner of your screen. Then click Create Class. Tapos, ilagay mo yung mga necessary informations na hinihingi dito sa box na to. So as for the class name, pwede kong ilagay dito yung subject. So let's say this is General Biology 2. As for the section, let's say this is CD 14. And as for the subject, since nailagay ko na dito yung subject, ilalagay ko dito yung oras or schedule ng klase kong ito. Kasi kung marami akong Google Classrooms, para at least hindi ako malito. So let's say, ang klase ko dito is 7:30 a.m. to 9 o'clock a.m. MW. And nilalagay ko din yung schedule ko for synchronous session para mag-guide din yung mga estudyante. Ayan. As for the room, I can leave this blank kasi online classes naman tayo ngayong semester na to, so hindi tayo gagamit ng classroom. Then I'll click Create. Ayan. You can customize the appearance of your Google Classroom. So eto, pwede mong palitan yung theme dito by clicking this one. Click Select Theme. Tapos pwede kang pumili sa mga options na to. So sabihin natin ito yung gusto mo. Okay. There you go, napalitan na siya. Pwede ka ring mag-upload ng photo kung gusto mo. And then, this is the class code. You can click display icon para, ayan, mas lumaki siya at mas madali mo siyang ma-highlight at ma-copy. At pwede mo itong ibigay sa mga estudyante mo via email. Or pwede namang yung invite link mismo. So, click copy, invite link. Ayan. And during synchronous sessions, kung ang gagamitin mo ay Google Meet, so meron ditong Meet link na pwede mong i-generate. So simply click Generate Meet Link. Click this button. Ayan. So this is the link. It's either you copy this one and give this to your students, or you can just click this icon and allow students to see it. Or pwede mo naman itong i-hide sa mga estudyante. Pero para hindi ka na mabother na every time magkakaroon kayo ng synchronous session, ibibigay mo sa kanila yung link, so make it visible to students. And then click Save. Now, just in case you want to change some details here, i-click mo yung parang gear icon dito sa may upper right corner ng screen mo. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung mga binigay mong information kanina. Pwede mo itong palitan if you want. As for the general, ayan. So, you have options here. For the invite code, you can either enable it, disable, or reset. And then this is the invite link. You can also choose display code here. And then as for the stream, you also have some options here. You can choose whether you want the students to post and comment in the stream, or pwede namang they can only comment but they can post, or it's only the teacher who can post or comment. And for the classwork on the stream, you also have options here. You can choose to hide notifications, but if you do this, they will not be able to see the things that you're posting in the classwork. And then you can choose show condensed notification. At kapag clinic yun ng estudyante, doon nila makikita yung details. Or you can choose the show attachments and details. And you can also activate this one. It's either you want to hide this or activate this. Kasi pwede mong i-invite yung guardian or parents ng estudyante sa Google Classroom. So you can click Add Class. Okay. And then this is the link that you generated a while ago para sa Google Meet link during synchronous sessions. And as for the grading, you also have some options here. You can either just place no overall grade, or you can give the total points, or weighted by category. And once everything is done here, you can click Save. Now, how do you post an announcement or material in the stream? Simply click this one. So sabihin natin, mag-welcome ka ng mga estudyante mo sa Google Classroom. So, lagay tayo dito. Hello. hello everyone. Yan. Tapos, kung gusto mong mag-attach ng picture or card, hello card, or welcome card, you can click this one. Okay? So, there are some options here. Depende kung nasaan yung material na ipopost mo or isi-share sa kanila. So, kung nasa Google Drive, click Google Drive. So, in this case, I have pictures here in my Google Drive na nakalagay, welcome to our class. So, I'll just double-click this one. And there you go. Nandito na siya. Now, supposing marami kang Google Classroom at lahat yun, i-welcome mo yung estudyante mo. Para hindi ka pa ulit-ulit mag-post, pwede mong i-post ito ng isahan sa lahat ng Google Classroom mo. So, simply click this button and check the Google Classroom that you want to have this post. So, sabihin natin, i-post ko din siya sa General Biology class ko. Ito. At ganun din sa aking isa pang biology class. Okay. So, I have 3 classes where I will be posting this one. And then once everything is done, I'll click post. And there you go. Andito na siya sa stream. Tingnan natin yung ibang classes na pinostan ko din ito. Just to check kung na-post din nga. So let's look at this one. Ayan. So naka-post din. So let's go back to this. Now, what about kung mag-upload naman ako ng mga learning materials? So, I suggest na huwag mo siyang i-post dito sa stream. Kasi kapag sa stream, hindi mo siya mailalagay into folders. So, mas maganda na i-post mo siya under classwork. So, you click classwork, and then click this button, create, and choose material. Okay. Now, unang-una, for the topic, lagay ka dito ng topic. You create a topic. So, sabihin natin, this is a folder for reading materials. Okay. And again, hindi ko lang siya sa klaseng ito ipopost, ibibigay ko din siya sa aking other biology classes. Okay. Now, sabihin natin, this is a material for photosynthesis. And the description or instruction is optional. You can leave this blank or pwede kang maglagay ng instruction. So, magta-type ako randomly. Ayan. And then, you can also attach materials. So, sabihin natin, this time, ang ibibigay mo sa kanila ay link ng isang article. So, click this one. Tapos, ipopost mo dito yung link. So, sabihin natin, eto yung link ng article na gusto mong ibigay sa kanila. So, simply copy the link and then paste it here. And click Add Link. There you go. So, ayan na. So, i-click na lang ito ng mga estudyante para pumunta sila dito sa link ng article. And then, click Post. There you go. So, meron ng isang item or material sa Reading Materials folder. Now, kung magdadagdag ka pa, again, the same process. Click Create and choose Material. And then, for the topic, go to the Reading Materials. Kasi dito mo ilalagay on the same folder yung material na isi-share mo. And again, kung isi-share mo siya sa iba mong klase, i-check mo ulit ito para isahan ang pag-post mo. And as for the title, sabihin natin, this is about Mendelian genetics. I leave this blank kasi sabihin natin hindi ko kailangan magbigay ng instruction or description. And as for the material, sabihin natin it's a YouTube video. So I'll click YouTube. I will search the video that I want to share. So Mendelian genetics. And then I'll click search. Ayan. So sabihin natin etong video na to ang ibibigay ko sa kanila. I'll click this and then I'll click the add button. After that, I'll click post. So there are now 2 materials under this folder. Now, what if I want to give some task or assignment with deadline? So I'll click create again and then I'll choose assignment. So again, for the topic, pwede kong lagyan ng folder name na task or activities. And for the point system or scores, I can choose ungraded or I can designate points. So sabihin natin, etong activity ito, 50 points ito lahat. And sabihin natin, sa General Biology 2, class ko lang siya. So I don't need to check other classes. And as for the due date, let's pick a date by clicking these icons. So sabihin natin, ang deadline nito is August 28. As for the time, it's optional, pero ako gusto ko maglagay ng oras para at least alam ng estudyante na hanggang anong oras nila dapat isubmit itong requirement na to by August 28. And then I can check this box if I want to check for plagiarism or originality. Ayan. And then I'll click continue. Now, sabihin natin yung activity is about pedigree analysis. And then for the instruction, ayan, I'll just type randomly. And sabihin natin merong akong i-attach na worksheet. So I'll click add. And then I'll click Google Drive because the file or material is in my Google Drive. Ayan. So I'll click this one. Ayan. So in this case, I have options here. If you want the students to answer directly to the worksheet, then baguhin mo itong setting na to. So allow students to edit the file. Pero kung ayaw mo silang mag-answer directly from the worksheet, gusto mo lang i-download yon at answeran nila, tapos i-scan na lang or picturean siguro, then choose this one. But for my case, mas gusto ko yung directly na sila nag-answer sa worksheet. So I'm going to choose this one, students can edit file. And after that, I'll click assign. Meron ding option dito, yung rubric. So kung meron kang ilalagay na rubric, pwede mo siya idagdag dito. It's either you create a rubric, you reuse a rubric, or import from Google Sheets. Ayan. But in my case, wala akong rubric na ilalagay, so I'll leave this one, and then I'll click assign. Paano naman kung gusto mong mag-create ng poll? So again, same process, click create, and choose question. Click this one. Now, yung short answer, palitan mo to ng multiple choice para magkaroon ng options. As for the topic, pwede ka mag-create ng topic uli or folder. So, ilagay mo polls. Kasi baka magkaroon ka ng several polls in a semester, so at least nasa isang folder din sila lahat. As for the due date, if you think a due date is not necessary, then leave this blank. And kung may score siya, dilagyan mo ng score. Kung wala, simply place ungraded. And then, lagay ka ng question. Sabihin natin, yung question mo is, how are you feeling today? Yan. And then, for the options, sabihin natin dito, happy. Dito naman, sad, hungry, etc. So, you can add as many options as you want. And you can even add some attachments if it is needed. And after this, click ask. Or kung ipopost mo din siya sa iba mong classes, again, click the class that you also want to post this one. So I'll click ask. Ayan. So meron na sa polls, meron na din sa task or activities. Now, look at this. Lahat ng ito na pinost mo sa classwork, mag-a-appear yan sa stream. Ayan. Now, how do you invite students or co-teachers in your Google Classroom? So click this, click the people icon. And for teachers, simply click this icon. Okay? So you need to type in the email of your co-teacher. I will have to invite Levi Francisco. Okay? And then, I'll click invite. So kapag in-accept niya yung invitation na yon, okay, ang role niya is a co-teacher sa Google Classroom ko. As a co-teacher, so pwede siyang mag-post ng mga materials dito, maki-interact sa mga estudyante, mag-comment, at magbigay ng mga grades sa submitted requirements ng mga estudyante. And if I want to invite students, same process. I'll click this one. And I need to type in the email of my students. And the invite link is here. So kapag nakarating sa kanila yung email invitation ko, instant andun na yung link na i-click nila para makapunta sila sa Google Classroom. Ayan. So I'll click this one. And then I'll click invite. Ayan. So, kapag in-accept na to ng estudyante, then magiging part na siya ng Google Classroom. There you go. Okay. Now, let's click the pedigree analysis activity. Kapag clinic mo to, okay, makikita mo dito kung ilan na yung estudyanteng nag-turn in ng assignment, ilan yung estudyanteng in-assignan mo nung task or activity. And same thing with the poll. Ganun din. Ayan. So, makikita mo dito yung result ng poll at makikita mo din dito kung ilan sa mga estudyante mo na yung nag-access nung poll. Now, at the left area of the screen, may makikita ka ditong word na upcoming. Kapag may mga due dates or deadline for the week, dito yan nakikita. Kasi parang nagsuserve din to as a reminder to students kung ano yung deadlines for the week. Since this week wala pa namang deadline, kaya blank pa ito. But if you want to see all the deadlines, so pwede mo i-click ito, view all. Ayan. So, we have pedigree analysis. Ang deadline nito is August 28. And as what you can see, wala pang nagsasubmit. Since na wala pang member na estudyante yung Google Classroom, 0 pa din yung assign. Kasi wala ka pang na-assign na estudyante. And syempre, wala ka pa rin nag-gradean na submitted work. Pero kung may mga nag-gradean ka na, mag-update din ito. Okay? And look at this, general biology. For example, you also want to see if there is a deadline in other subjects or sa ibang Google Classrooms. So sabihin natin, eto, I'll have PE 103. Ayan. So nandito yung mga deadlines. And as you can see, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, so makikita mo dito kung ilan yung mga estudyanteng nag-submit na ng assignment, ilan yung mga estudyanteng inassignan mo ng assignment, at ilan yung mga nag-gradean mo na. So let's go back to Gen Bio 2. Yeah, so, since na wala pang grades dito, hindi mo pa ito makikita. Pero just in case, tingnan natin itong iba kong Google Classroom classes. Nag-gradean dito. Okay, so makikita mo yan dito. So, parang nag-appear ito na parang class record mo. Ayan, so nandito din yung mga members ng classes ko. Ito ako as a teacher. And then, ito yung mga classwork nila. Ayan. So, that's it. Ito yung pinaka-basic information kung paano kayo mag-create ng Google Classroom.